Hello friends, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat. I am teaching mensuration series in which we are seeing rectangles and squares, and this is of class 2. Here I am going to deal with the problems of level 1 problems or basic problems which you can expect in prelims or tier 1 of RRB, SSC and bank exam clerical. Level 2 problems which is of easy to moderate kind of problems which you can expect in SSC tier 1 as well as tier 2, and also you can expect in RRB and bank exams. This question is of level 1. Here a rectangular field by a river, this rectangular field is beside a river, has to be fenced from 3 sides. What is the length of the fencing required? See, fencing, friends, if this is a rectangular field, suppose this is a rectangular field and this is by the side of a river, suppose this side is a river, friends, and it has to be fenced from 3 sides. These are the 3 sides which we have to fence. See, fencing in a rectangle is nothing but the perimeter. Fencing is nothing but the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. Here length and breadth. This side we are not fencing, friends, because there is a river which is going along the side of the rectangles. The field along the river is 100 meters. Obviously the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, so this side the breadth is also 100 meters and area is given, friends. Area is 6000 meters. From this we can find the length. Area is equals to length into breadth. Length is equals to 6000 by 100, which is nothing but 60 meters. So we have to fence this 60 meters and also 100 meters and also 60 meters. 60, 100 and 60. Totally 220 meters. This is the answer, friends. We have to fence all the 3 sides of the rectangle, that is 60 meters, 100 meters and another 60 meters. 60 plus 100 plus 60, which is of 220. We'll see another problem. There is a rectangular plot. Whose length is 120 meters and width is 110 meters. The plot is to be enclosed by pillars of distance 5 meters. What does it mean? You have to enclose this field by installing pillars. We don't know the number of pillars, that we have to find how many pillars are required, and from one pillar to other pillar we have to maintain the distance of 5 meters. See, friends, these pillars are kept at the edges, so we have to find the perimeter. Is given by 2 into L plus B. 110 plus 120, 230, 460 meters. And each pillar of distance 5 meters. Number of pillars is equals to perimeter divided by distance between the pillars, that is 460 by 5. 5 nines are 45, 5 twos are 10, 92. The area of rectangle is 3 times the area of the square. Okay friends, if the length of the rectangle is twice the side of the square and breadth is 30 centimeters, then find the side of the square. Here there is a square and there is a rectangle. Suppose if we think that the side of the square is A, then the area become A square. What is he saying? The area of rectangle is 3 times the area of the square. Area of rectangle is equals to 3 times the area of the square, that is A square. Here in this question, breadth of the rectangle is given, that is 30 centimeters. And length of the rectangle is twice that of the side A. What we have to find? We have to find the side of the square, that is area formula is length into breadth. Length is length into breadth, which is equals to 3 times the area of the square, 3A square. Here the length is 2A, breadth is 30 centimeters. This equals to 3A square. It is in the multiplication, so 1 square is cancelled, 3 tens are, therefore we will get A is equals to 20 centimeters. So A is the answer. This is very simple question friends. This is level 1 question. We will see this problem which is of level 2. Two crossroads, each of width 5 meters, runs perpendicular, this is perpendicular to each other, through the middle of the rectangular field of size 80 meters and by 60 meters. Suppose there is an rectangle. Here this rectangular field of size 80 meters and 60 meters friends. Here there is two crossroads which runs through the middle of this rectangular field, middle of the rectangular field. These are the two crossroads friends, and its width is of 5 meters. It is of 5 meters. We have to lay the road, and it costs about 10 rupees per square meter. He says indirectly that we have to find the area which is formed by these two crossroads. Okay friends, we will find the area of this crossroads. If we take the length of this crossroad, it is of 80 meters. Length is equals to 80 meters. Here the length of this road, if we take this road, friends, the length is 80 meters and width is 5 meters. This width is of 5 meters. So we will get the area of this road, which is 80 into 50, 400 meter square or square meters. Okay friends, for the second road, here the length is not 60 meters friends, because already you have laid the road here. So for this 5 meters, you need not lay the road, it's already laid. So in this 60 meters, we will minus these 5 meters. Second road. In the second road, we will minus this 5 meters, which is coincided with the first road. So we will take 60 minus 5, that is 55, and is of width 5 meters. So the area of the second road is 55 into 5, that is 275. Now add the two areas, 400 plus 275. We get 675 square meters. Or there is a formula. This formula is given by area of crossroads is given by width of the crossroad into length plus breadth minus width, that is 5 into length 80 plus 60, which is of 140, minus 5 into 135, to 75 square meters. And what is the cost of laying the road or graveling the road? 10 per square meter. Here we have got 275. So we will get rate to lay the road or graveling the road is 275 into 10, that is equals to rupees 2750. We will see another problem. This is also of level 2, which falls into the level 2 category. A room in the sense it is mandatory, a rectangular room of dimensions 6 meters by 5 meters is surrounded by veranda. If the area of veranda is 26 meters square, then find the width of the veranda. Friends, there is a room. There is a room of 6 by 5. 6 by 5, which is, so you should be very clear, which is it falling inside the room or outside the room. Usually friends, veranda or corridors will be outside the room. Veranda or corridors are outside the room, and by this terminology you have to decide that this width is outside the room. This width is, we don't know the width of the path or veranda, but we are given with the area. We are given with the area, which is 26 meters square. Okay friends, let us see the options. Here options are given like 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters and 4 meters width of the veranda. See friends, from this 6 meters and 5 meters, can we find the area of the room? Can we find the area of the room? Yes, we can find. Area of the room. Area of the room is equals to 6 into 5. That is 30 meters square. And area of the veranda is 26 meters square. So by adding this area of the room and area of the veranda, we can get the area of the outer rectangle. By adding the area of the room and area of the veranda, we can get the area of the rectangle. Outer rectangle area is equals to area of room plus area of veranda. So which is equals to 30 plus 26, that is 56 meter square. 56 meter square. Here we have to find the area of the outer rectangle by substitution method. By substitution method. See friends, for this 5 meters, here this is width, and in this side also there is width. So by adding width 2 times to this 5 meters, we will get the side of the one of the sides of the rectangle, that is equals to 5 meters plus 2 times the width. In the same way, here by adding the width on one side and on the other side of this base, that is 6 meters, we will get the length of this rectangle, that is 6 plus this width plus this width, that is 2 times the width. By multiplying these two sides, we will get the area. 6 plus 2w into 5 plus 2w is equals to 56 meters. By substituting, we will substitute here. Width is given by 1 meter here. We will just substitute the first option. 6 plus 2, 5 plus 2. We'll just see. 6 plus 2 is 8 into 7. 7 8s are 56, which is equal. So, A is the right option. We substitute the options, which will become very easy. It will take only 1 minute to substitute and check the answer. Problem which is of same model, but there is a small difference. A path of uniform width runs inside, you have to note this, runs inside a rectangular park of 40 by 30 meters. If area of the park is 384 meter square, find the width of the path. There is a rectangular park of width 40 and 30 meters, and a path which runs inside the park. Path runs inside the park, and we don't know the width of the path, but we have options here. We have, if we take 3 meters of width, if we take 3 meters of width, okay friends, then the interior breadth becomes 30 minus this 3 and the other 3, that is 6, that is equals to 24. In the same way, in the length, in the 40 meters, we have to subtract one side of the 3 meters and other side of 3 meters. We will get 34 meters. Now we will find the area of inside rectangle, that is 34 into 24. We get 816 square meters. But outer area of the rectangle is 40 into 30, that is 1200 meters. 1200 meters. And if we consider 3 meters as the width, we get the inside rectangle is of 816 meters square. 81 square, 816 meter square. If we find the difference, yes, we are getting 384 meter square. If we don't get 384 meter square, let's substitute the 4 meters as width of the path. And this is very easy if we do this in this way. This is a similar problem, but it is little bit different. This is also of level 2, but how easy it is to solve. Let us see. On a 3 meter by 4 meter board, there is a board of 3 meter by 4 meters. On this board, a rectangular area of 6 square meter is to be painted in such a way that it is surrounded by a uniformly broad path. What is the width of the path? We have to paint an area of 6 square meters. After painting this, it should leave an outer space of equal length, of equal width. Okay friends, this width should be equal. These widths should be equal. This width, and this widths should be equal, friends. Okay. So here the options are given. Let us substitute 0.25 meters as the width. This total length is 3 meters. If we subtract width of 0.25 here and 0.25 here, we will get remaining width, friends. So 3 minus 0.25 minus 0.25, that is for option A, 3 minus 0.25, 0.25, that is totally 0.5, that is 2.5 meters. If we take this side, we have to subtract one width and second width. Totally two widths we have to subtract, that is 0.25 plus 0.25, that is we have to subtract 4 minus 0.5, that is 3.5 meters. If we multiply this length and breadth, are we getting 6 square meters? No, 2.5 into 3.5. I am getting something like 0.25. So I am not going to solve this. Anyhow, I am not going to get this answer. So I am going for the second option, 0.5. If I take like 0.5 as my width, what is the inside width? 3 minus 0.5 and another 0.5, that is 1. 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2 meters. Here in 4 meters, we have to subtract this width and this width. 0.5 and 0.5, 1 meter. 4 minus 1 meter, that is 3 meters. If I multiply this length into breadth, am I getting 6 square meters? 2 into 3, 6 square meters. Yes, this is the which is given in the answer. So B is the answer. That's it, friends. See how it is easy to substitute. If we substitute width from the options, we will get the answer quickly. Hello friends. Yes, we have come to the interesting part of our video, and this is innovative and it is called icebreaker. Friends, it is very important and damn easy. Whenever you get a problem like to find the least number of square tiles of a floor of length and breadth, you just find the HCF of this length and breadth. Here the length and breadth are given by 68 and 51. How to find the HCF? See friends, 51 ones are 51 and the difference is 17. You have to take the divisor this side. 51, 17 3 times or 51, so it is solved. And here this 17 is the GCD. Let us take a example. If 24 and 36 are the length and breadth of a floor, find the least number of square tiles required to lay on this floor. If these questions comes like this, then find the HCF of 24 and 36. You know that 24 ones are 24. You will get 12 and bring this divisor this side. 24 and 12 twos are 24. You will get 0. So this is the answer. This is the GCD or HCF of these two numbers, and we can lay 12 square tiles. Here in this question we can lay 17 square tiles. So this is the icebreaker here in this video. Please like the videos friends, subscribe to our channel, and there are many more videos which are coming in mensurations, geometry and mathematics. Friends, comment below if you need any more problems. If I am going speed or slower, you can comment.